Hey guys, my name is Yaz. I'm originally from Argentina, but I now live in the UK. I've been drumming professionally for 10 years, both drums and percussion, and whenever I do it, I always smile, which is why on socials I'm known as _the happy drummer, so follow if you can. I have been freelancing and my main genres are pop and gospel, including worship music. However, any genre I'm more than happy to play, and I always love to challenge myself. Currently, I have switched drumsticks, and if you're a drummer, you know that that's one of the most important things to make sure that you've got the right ones, and I think I must have found the right ones. These are Collision 5ARs, which are their Reach model, which is a little bit longer than usual, and I personally love it, especially when I'm playing percussion and not just drums, because you want to reach different parts of the drum kit, but keeping your posture. I love that they just love the look, to be honest, but also the feel of the sticks. I'm someone who plays hard, but I love to feel the weight of the stick, so I love that the weight of it is like pretty even. And also I used to play Veta, so I love the fact that the durability is based on the hickory wood. And you can't go wrong with it, but also I love that these guys are efficient and always great with their communication. So if you're out there looking for sticks, I recommend you use Collision. And take it from me, someone who drums a lot of the time, it's worth it, and it's worth trying something new, but also making sure that it's durable. In the next clip, I'm going to be playing a song called Bless God by Brooke Ligertwood, and I hope you enjoy.